Yo, what's up guys? Today, we're gonna go play with the owner of the quiet on the front of the Robloxian front. Make sure to play this game. The admin is UberQuest and it will...
No, it's the owner, not the admin.
Huh? We are playing with the admin.
It's not the owner, not the admin.
The owner. I'm sorry. So guys, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what I should play next.